Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram filter not showing on or not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly, let me show you here my filters are working or not. If your filter are not working on, then what you have to do is just simply close this page, and after that what you have to do is just simply open Play Store. And first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of Instagram. So you can see here it's showing here open. If it's showing here update, then what you have to do is just simply update your app and then check whether problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply close this page again, and you have to open settings. And after that what you have to do is just simply check that you have a strong internet connection. If you don't have strong enough connection, then what you have to do is just simply turn your phone to Wi-Fi connection and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists, then what you have to do is just simply again open settings. Then you have to tap on app management, then go to app settings, and you have to search for Instagram here. And then what you have to do is just simply clear the cache from here and clear the storage, then go back and then force stop the app. And after doing this, you have to check that your problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply uninstall Instagram and then restart your phone and then restart Instagram. And after doing all these things, I will guarantee you your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.